40 gallon, natural gas, standard vent, tall. For us, it's the most common type of water heater installed. Today, we pierce that statistical bubble. A relatively short drive takes us to East Lansing, replacing a leaky water heater with a Rheem PROG40 Plus, the short version. Goodbye, Bubble. Just a quick note, this isn't a box store model. The PROG40 Plus is equipped with a White Rogers gas valve, brass drain port, has a 40,000 BTU capacity with a recovery rate of up to 61 gallons per hour. However, its ugly sister is equipped with a Honeywell gas valve, plastic drain port, only has 34,000 BTU capacity, and a recovery rate of 34 gallons per hour. Okay, first things first. Get the unit drained and disconnected. For the HVAC installers, do you see what I see? If you do, comment below. For the homeowners, all male vent fittings must travel in the direction towards the chimney. This unit is reversed, which could lead to a carbon monoxide leak through its crimped connection. So the word on the street is that your water heater will only last you between 8 and 10 years. I'm not necessarily on board with that. There are a number of factors that contribute to a tank's demise. For example, water quality and maintenance. If you live in an area with hard water, or if you're on a well system, your water tank might not last as long as mine. If you do not perform regular maintenance, it will most likely not live its fullest life. So get your water tested, maintain your tank, and you could easily get 20 years out of your water heater. I'm on year 17 here in Delta Township with mine. As I finish up with this install, please feel free to comment below with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.